Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are gonna be doing a coffee table kind of living room refresh. Today is just gonna be a fun, kind of light video. I recently picked up some new items that I am loving, so I'm very excited to share them with you guys. And like always, everything that I mentioned in today's video will be down below in the description box. But I recently did a living room makeover video and I love how everything came out, and I'm loving the vibe of my living room currently. I bought a lot of those items with the intention to keep them until the fall and winter season, just because I don't want to be switching things out constantly. It just gets way too expensive. But naturally, I want to change things up here and there just a little bit. So that is exactly what we're going to be doing today, just giving my living room area just a little bit of a refresh and tweaking it with some new items. So I'm super excited. I'm excited to share everything that I got with you guys. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. This is my living room area. We are gonna style my coffee table first. So I already took all of my old decor down, and before I style it, I wanna just wipe it down and make it nice and clean. The wood cleaner that I like to use is the brand Everspring. I get it from Target. It's super affordable and it smells really good. Plus it's toxin-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, all that good stuff. So it's definitely one of my favorites. I'm starting off with this clay vase that I recently picked up from Pottery Barn. And you guys, this is so good. I am in love with it. I think it looks like those vintage vases that you see on Etsy for hundreds of dollars. I got the medium size and I got the color brown, and this one was $79. It's super heavy. It looks very old and distressed, and I absolutely love it. So I highly recommend it. And then to that, I'm adding these beautiful faux stems that I got from Afloral. They're in like a very bright green color. These are called their faux snowball stems, I believe, but they're beautiful. I wanted something to really pop in my living room, and these were perfect. I picked up 4 of them. They were super long, so I did have to cut them down a little bit as well as bend them. So keep that in mind. They are a very dramatic stem, but I love them. And then right next to that, I'm going in with one of my favorite coffee table books. This is the Arranging Things book. And then on the top of that, I am adding this candle that I recently got from Target. It's got like a beautiful texture on the outside. Kind of reminds me of like a sandy texture. It's a 3-wick candle. It smells so good. And then the wick is that like wood burning. So when you light it, it makes that crackling sound, which I love. And then this is a recent purchase for me. This is the 8 Homes book. I picked it up from Amazon. This guy is super massive, but it makes such a statement. My coffee table is really big, so it actually fits on my table perfectly. And then on the top, I'm adding this wood fluted decorative bowl that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then I'm adding this match cloak that I got from CB2. And then these wick trimmers I picked up from McGee & Co. Underneath my table, I'm adding this wicker basket that I got from Target. I went in with a little bit of a darker color. I used to have a light one here before my cat destroyed it, so I'm going in with this darker one, and I like to keep something under my table just to kind of bring in some texture. Over on the other side of the couch, I'm adding this pedestal table that I got from Target a few years ago. And then to the top of that, I'm adding this lamp that I picked up from the Hearth and Hand line. It's super pretty. I love the fluted lampshade, but we don't have a light switch on this side of the wall. So I'm going to be showing you guys this wireless light switch that we recently got, and they're actually sponsoring today's video. So I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so right here is where I'm going to be using the light switch. And this was a light switch before, and it was hideous, and I hate it, and it's such an eyesore. And my husband took it down, and it's actually not even a functioning light. It serves zero purpose. As you can see, there's no wires. So we're gonna be placing this over that, just because this is a lot more flat and sleek looking, and it looks way better than what was currently there. And obviously I don't want a giant hole in my wall, so luckily this requires zero hard wiring. You can put it anywhere. I'm gonna be putting it here, obviously, because we had an existing light switch, but you can put it wherever you want. And all you do, it has the adhesive tapes on the back of it, and you just place it wherever you wanna put it, stick it to the wall, and now it is a functioning light switch. And it's so convenient. Like I'm using mine in my entryway, so when I have a table lamp or a floor lamp or whatever, it's just super nice because all you have to do is click it on and off, and it's that simple. They also have this base piece, so what you do is you just twist this into your light bulb and then put it to whatever it is that you're using. I'm going to be using mine for this table lamp, so you just twist it in like a normal light bulb and it automatically pairs with your light switch once you plug it into the wall. Super simple and it's so convenient. I love it. And then they also sent me a wall outlet, so I'm gonna be using that over on the other side of the room, and I'm gonna be using that for my floor lamp because my floor lamp is tucked behind my accent chair, so it's super awkward to constantly turn it on and off. So now this is so much more convenient. It's literally just the flick of a light switch and I love it. Now for styling this table, I am going in with this beautiful candle. It's from Casa de Sona. I saw this featured on Jenna's Home channel and I loved it. If you guys are not familiar with her channel, she has amazing style, so go check her out. But I'm so happy she shared it because it smells good and it's just such a beautiful candle. And then right next to that, I'm going in with this little trinket dish that I got from Amazon. This is super good quality. I love it. It's in like a very vintage kind of brass color. And I'm gonna be using it just to hold my matchsticks. And that is it for this corner. That is a wrap for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some inspiration. And of course, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.